This little thing's kind of addicting. I'm really enjoying flying it. I don't know why I didn't get one sooner. But, yeah. So this is a spot that I stop at quite often and occasionally camp at. And it was just right at sunset. So I decided, you know what? We'll fly the drone real quick, take a poke around. And this is what we saw. So that's Interstate 17 right there in the foreground. And, you know, Arizona does the best sunsets. I mean, we just do. It's just how it is. I'm just kind of playing with it. You know, that's how you figure things out. It's a lot of fun. Just kind of really gaining muscle memory at this point. You know, which way moves the gimbal up and down and stuff like that. I took off and landed on the hood this was about a 12-minute flight. So just kind of cruising around the top of the Forerunner, checking out the top of the tent. Go for a little more. Whee! It's pretty neat seeing these dirt roads from above. I mean, I've seen this road for a lot of years from the road, but I've never actually seen it from above. It's kind of neat. Gives it a whole different perspective. Especially flying this time of night, you know, you've got that golden hour going on here. This is a spot I affectionately call Beer Peak. And it's actually named that on my Gaia maps. I've had a beer or two and a campfire or two up on that peak there. So we'll set it back down on the hood and call it a night. I don't know. It's pretty cool to add this to the channel. I think we'll be doing some cool videos with this little drone here in the near future. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.